Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new to this side of the world, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty, where I take my hands and create fashion. I love doing DIY, nail hack challenges, the whole works. So come join the family, get comfy, don't be shy, subscribe to my channel, click that bell, get notified each and every time I upload, because guess what? I upload twice a week, every week, and also follow me on all my social media pages. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I designed these classic Valentine simple nail set. So I was getting tired of the red and the red was getting tired of me. So we call it a quit. I never fired him. He's just on the back burner for now. So I'll be using nude for this set with some gold, white, blue, and clear hearts, which is so bomb. So I have already prep and prime off camera. So after the prepping and priming stage, I applied my homemade peel off latex glue, aka school glue. So the reason why I'm using glue on my nail plate, so I can remove the nails if needed to for other videos, if you can understand where I'm going. So I'll remove the nails with ease after a video without damaging my nail plate. I actually have a video up showing you guys how I remove the nails after I complete the whole work. So I will link it in the iCards above. And if you guys know my challenge, you know that I live on an island, you know the struggles. So if you live on an island, you know what I'm talking about. So when I order online, the item takes at least 2 weeks to get to me. And it also depends on what you order. So the items that I order takes 2 weeks or more, depending. And 2 weeks is too long for me, so I kind of have to improvise with the things that I have within my space. So nothing is wrong with using school glue. It works just as well, I think just as well as latex glue. I don't have any problems with it. I just recently found out I can apply the glue itself without adding water to my nails, and I think that I like that better without adding the water to the glue. So I just recently learned that. So yeah, so the acrylic powder that I'm using is Nude Peach with my medium speed liquid. So I live in the tropics. I live in Jamaica. It is very warm, and when it start getting warm in the space, I don't know, the acrylic system is just funny overall. So if it's too cold, the brush will clump up. If it's too hot, the brush still will clump up. So because I'm working with a medium speed liquid, I need to be working fairly quickly, because if I don't work fairly quickly, the heat and the speed of the liquid will start clumping up my brush. Because of this, I have 3 brushes that I use. So I'll use a number 8, I think a number 9, and probably a number 10 brush. So you will see me changing throughout the video. You might not notice it, but yeah, I have 3 brushes usually using throughout my videos. So I'll be sculpting all my nails. I have a love-hate relationship with this sculpted form, and it's growing on me. So if you guys have any trouble building on a nail form and you want some help or some tips or some tricks, just blink. Just all you have to do is blink, and I'll be doing a video soon. I got you, girl. I got you. I got you. Okay, video coming soon. So for each nail comes different design. I just like complicating matters, especially on my nails. I am that type of person to say, okay, this is the design that I will be doing today, and then I'll go, oh my gosh, this can't be the only design. I need 2 more designs. No, it not gonna look good. People not gonna watch the video. So I kind of have to complicate the situation and overthink and do something where get long. That is me. So what I usually do these days, I use to control myself, I create the nail designs in words, so that guides and restrict me from giving each finger a design. But it's just recent, so you're going to see the changes coming soon. So subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell, tap that bell to get notified each and every time I upload, because as I said, I upload twice a week, every week. And please don't forget to like this video. Sometimes I don't understand myself. I'm just, when you're extra, it's a Caribbean thing. It's a Caribbean problem. We're too extra. Everything we want to put in a little dash, and the dash becomes extraness, I'm too extra. So hopefully the plan that I have can control my extra complicated self. For the index and my middle finger, I'll be doing straight nude. Then on my ring finger, I'll be doing a glitter fade. So I'll be taking the chunky glitter heart near the cuticle area and then fading it down, because I already made the fade with the brown. So yeah. So the glitter mix is called Classy Hearts. What a coincidence that my nail is simple, classy Valentine nails. What a coincidence. I didn't even remember the name. I just searched it up, and yeah, that's what it is. What a coincidence. I'm popping over here. And for my pinky, I will use a nude at the base to cover my natural nails. Then I will use the same glitter at the tip of my nails. Then I will encapsulate it with polish gel. So after the encapsulation is done, I will then file and buff. So these are how my nails are looking after. Classy, right? Then I'll complete the look with a written design, some gold foil hearts, studs, and top coat. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any upload from moi. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Go and check out my last video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.